How's it going, everybody? We're doing a microphone test with the Sony recorder. This is an obscure name, but it's ICUDX560. And here's a picture of it now, but yeah, essentially we're comparing this Sony recorder to the Sennheiser E838, which is what we're talking on right now, and the Blue Yeti USB microphone, the lavalier mic from PowerDeWise, and we have a Rode VideoMicro recording on this Sony recorder that I just mentioned. So yeah, we're looking at the differences between all of these. The Blue Yeti mic that I've long since recorded this on has gone and died. I think there's an issue with I think it's a mini USB plug. So yeah, that is long since gone. I've had these Sennheiser E83 or E838 microphones from when my dad used to do karaoke and sing Chinese opera. So I'm using that with the Focusrite right now, and we're comparing these all so that we can have, a general comparison test, and you can see what is better and, what makes the most sense for you. So let's get it started. We're recording off the Sony recorder and testing it directly off of the speakers or the microphones that it has on the actual device. And we want to compare this to other things like the Rode video microphone, the Sennheiser E838, and the Blue Yeti. There's some noise in the background. We have it currently on interview mode. There is a furnace running in the background, and yeah. Okay, so we want to make this somewhat equal. Obviously the Blue Yeti has some extra settings on it, but this is what it sounds like coming out of the Blue Yeti cardio mode. And yeah, I have all volume settings on this one, so it's a little bit different, but this is what that audio sounds like. Okay, now we're plugged into the lavalier mic that I use on most of the shoots in the car, and this is what that sounds like. And we want to compare this to the Rode VideoMicro, Sennheiser E838, Blue Yeti, as well as the recorder itself. So that's what we're testing out here. Okay, today we are testing out the Rode VideoMicro, and we're testing it directly from the Sony recorder. So yeah, wanting to see what this sounds like and how this compares to the voiceover mics that I'm trying to use, the Sennheiser E838 as well as the Blue Yeti. And I think from my discussions, I think the Blue Yeti is on its way out, and I will be using the Sennheiser E838 with the Focusrite Scarlett, and that'll be that.